Welcome back, watch people. Today we'll be discussing an aftermarket deep carry pocket clip for this Spyderco. It's got a PVD coated regular clip, which is okay, but I want a stainless steel looking one, and the one I got is titanium, and it's the deep carry, and it'll match these stainless screw heads and the blade and all that there. I want it to match, in the clip, although it looks nice, I'd rather have it looking more metallic and deep carry. So that's what today's video is about, and we'll be back. Hey guys, so here's a knife. But before we get on with this, quick wrist check. Today I am wearing Casio G-Shock DW5600. It's your basic square. G-Shock makes a ton of different squares, and this is the most basic one, DW5600, but it's all you really need. It's nice. And on the other hand, I'm wearing a paracord little bracelet, camouflage, camo as they say. Anyway, this is the knife. Today I'll be changing this out, and the package got in today, and here it is. This is a lightning out the front, nice to play with, a little toy there. Go ahead and cut that out. And there it is, guys. There's the deep pocket clip. You can see it's titanium. It doesn't have any kind of writing on it. It feels like paper. It's so light. It's durable, strong. Some of these clips, you gotta be careful. Sometimes the hole is too small, and that very top hole is hard to get to. The two sides are easy to get to, and this one's hard to get to. It looks like this one's got them done really well, where you could actually get to both of them. I didn't have the right screw set, so I went and got this little cheap one. And I'll be putting, once I do it, I'll be putting on some Loctite, but blue. So if I ever want to change it, that Loctite will break off with just a little bit of force, and you can take out the screws. If you use the wrong kind of Loctite, you'll never get them off. So you use blue, guys, blue. Watch screws as well. When you do watch screws, blue. And here's the tools. And I believe we'll be using like a 6 or a 7. It's kind of nifty. Get it like this to open, and then slide it to close. I like that. It won't open unless you slide it. That's kind of cool. Not really cheap set. Okay, guys, this is the one we'll be using. The 6. See that T6 right there? T6. That's the one we'll be using. See that? T6. That's the one we're using. And it should fit. Let me see if I can do this. The viewfinder is hard to do. It goes right in there. Look at that. Right in there. Okay. Let's go ahead and lock it in place. Nice and tight and locked. I might have to fast forward this because this takes forever. Go ahead and do this in front of the camera Might have to fast forward here or skip if it takes too long. Tighten those, make sure those are tight. Here we go, guys. Well, they're not too bad. They're not too tight. There we go. All right, seems like looks like they use Loctite. I see a little bit of some blue there. Looks like they used it smart. And what did they use, guys? Purple? No. Blue. Come on, guys, don't make me repeat myself. Y'all listen. Listen and learn, guys. Listen and learn. There we go. Finally got them out. There it is. There it is, fellas. Let's kind of see if we can get that. See? PVD coated. Eventually that's going to wear off and it's going to look terrible. There it's minty. I haven't even scratched it. Look at that satin finish. Beautiful. But that's going to come off eventually. This will not. That won't. And it'll match the rest of the blade and the bolts and stuff, screws. And it's titanium, so it makes it even lighter. It's already a really light knife. And it's deep carry. Well, kind of deep carry. It's not real deep carry, but let's go ahead and line them up. Oh, I might have to do a little bit of this off camera again, but I'm going to have to put a little Loctite on these. And here's a chance, guys, to where you can end up. I want it tip up where the original was, up here. We could pull it this way, and then I can, when I pull it out from my pocket, it comes out this way up. My thumb's already there, and flick it open. But some people like it on this side. Some people like it with the tip, the knife tip down over here. This good thing about Spyderco, you can do it on all four corners. Both sides have one and both sides. So I like it where it's at. I think it's the best place for it. And we shall continue. Okay, guys. See how they're all in there? I'm going to tighten them one last time, just slightly. A little bit of torque, but not, I don't want to strip or anything, so. There it is. There it is, guys. Deep carry, pocket clip. Now this way it'll go in my pant like this. Here's my pocket. Boom, snaps in there. Then when I want to take it out, I just pull it out this way. And there it is. Hope you enjoyed my little video, guys. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy these type of videos with knives, flashlights, especially watches. I do 95% watches, but if you enjoy this type of EDC content and watch content, then please subscribe below. If you have any comments for future videos or something that I missed or something that I should have done or just anything you want to say hello, please comment below. Anyway, guys, again, thank you. Until next time, and never stop winding crowns.